Physics, it's math time. Again with me, Miss Riana. Now we will talk about circles in chapter 4. I'm going to explain a bit from your textbook, page 73. Actually, we already learned about this in Matematika, yeah? So let's just like doing a review. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, now we're going to talk about radius because we're going to talk about parts of a circle. Radius, okay, you can see circles. You can draw a circle with a pair of compass. You call it compasses. And radii of a circle are equal. Radii itu adalah bentuk banyaknya dari radius. Radius itu berarti hanya satu, kalau radii itu berarti banyak. Okay, O is the center of the circle. OP is the radius. And OQ, OR is also radii of the circle. The OP will equal with OQ and will equal with OR. Okay. And now, you can use a pair of compasses to draw a circle and label its center with O. You can do that. And how to draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter? First, you have to get your compasses and your ruler and put the point or the needle in 0 and put the pencil or the pen at 5. So the radius with this kind of measurement will be 5 centimeter. And then step 2, you put the needle in the middle of your book or in the middle of the paper, and you turn the pencil or the edge of this, the pen edge or the pencil edge, you turn it until it will make a 5 centimeter radius of the circle. Yeah. So here, why the radii will always be the same? Because you just measure the compasses with 5 centimeters. So from this point O to B, to P will be 5 centimeter, to Q will be 5 centimeter, and to R will be 5 centimeters. So the whole radii will be the same, 5 centimeter. Now, we will skip this. In the figure below, O is the center of the circle, and we're going to learn about diameter. The lines PQ that pass through the center, we call it diameter. So, diameter of a circle pass through its center. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia, diameter itu adalah garis yang menghubungkan dua titik melewati titik pusat. Okay. And OP and OQ are the radii. So, OP will be the same with OQ. So, the diameter will be 2 times radius. And radius will be diameter divided by 2. So, that is the relation between diameter and radius ya. Jadi, diameter itu 2 kalinya dari jari-jari, sedangkan jari-jari adalah setengahnya dari diameter ya. And now here, in this figure, O is the center of the circle. And name the diameters. You have AB. You have CD. How about EF? Is that a diameter? EF. Is that a diameter? I'll put it here. No, it's not. Why? Because it's not passing O or the center of the circle. So it's not diameter. Okay, now the radius of a circle is 6. So the radius from O to A is 6. What is the length of the diameter? Again, the relation will be 2 times it. 2 times 6. So the diameter will be 12 centimeter. The diameter of a circle is 15. From A to B is 15. What's the length of its radius? You want to find OA or OB. So the relation between diameter and radius will be, so radius will be 15 divided by 2. If you count 15 divided by 2 will be 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now we're going to learn about arc, chord, sector, and segment. Okay. So, arc. In bahasa Indonesia, we learned it and the name is busur. Yeah, arc is busur. An arc of a circle join any two different point on the circle. This is the minor arc, yang kecilnya, busur yang kecil, and the major arc, busur yang besar. Okay, if you plus that, if you add the minor arc and the major arc, it will be the perimeter of the circle. Kalau digabung akan menjadi kelilingnya. And then chord. Chord in bahasa Indonesia, we learned it is tali busur. A chord of a circle is a line which join any two point on the circle. Yeah. And then a sector of a circle is a part inside of the circle between two radii and the circle. Kita sebutnya dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah juring. A segment of a circle is a part inside the circle between a chord and a circle. We call that tembereng. Segment, we call it tembereng. So, can you... now you know the different how to say it in English, ya. Tali busur, busur. Busur means arc. Tali busur, chord. Juring, sector. Tembereng is a segment. Okay. And here, in the segment, you can find a major segment, which is this one, the white one with the sector inside. The big one, this is, ya. This is the major segment. Tembereng yang besar. And a minor segment, this one. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. Ooh. For KD 3.4. Do it directly on your workbook. Take a picture of it and upload it. And this one, you just have to count it. It's still the same. Homework KD 3.4. So here, what should you do? You have to use the protractor, busur. So you have to divide it into 4 quadrant. 4 quadrant itu 4 bagian lingkaran. Like this. So each of it should be 90 degrees, ya. Setiap ini harus 90 derajat. Itulah kenapa harus menggunakan busur. Label the 4 point on the circumference of the circle where the diameter touch as A. Ini, so here you can write it A. A, B, C, D, ya, like that. You can choose which one is your A. And then you have to measure the radius of the circle. The radius is from O to A. The diameter and the name of the radius. OA, OB, OC, OD. The name of the diameter. AC. And then the diameter is blah, blah, blah radius. That's what you have to do. If you have any question, just text me. And then here one. Is also your homework. For KD ya, nggak enak banget mis ngomongnya KD ya. Ya, mengidentifikasi titik pusat jari-jari and others. Yes, this will be your homework also. Name the radius, diameter, and a chord. And then you have to color the segment red, the sector blue, outline the major arc. Berarti major arc itu busur yang besarnya. Berarti ini kan DE. Ya, tapi yang besarnya berarti yang sebelah sini. It should be yellow and the minor should be green. Ya. Okay. Next one, lesson 2. About circumference of a circle. What is a circumference? Here. The circumference of a circle is the perimeter of it. Kelilingnya. So like you turn like this. Nah. We call it circumference. For example, Yani used a string to measure the circumference of each circle. to one decimal place and record it in this table. For example, if the diameter is 2, the circumference is 6.2. So if you do it here, yeah, circumference divided by diameter, it means 6.2 divided by 2 will be 3.1. And then here, 9.4 divided by 3. Oops, sorry, this should be 3.1. 9.4 divided by 3 will be 3.13. And here, 12.5 divided by 4, it will be 3.125. And here, 15.6 divided by 5 will be 3.12. So, if the circumference divided by the diameter, it's around 3.1. So, because it always has the same value, this number is called pi. Bahasa Indonesianya pi ya, lambangnya seperti ini. Pi. We usually take the value of pi to be 3.14 or 22/7. Pi is a Greek letter. We read it as pi. And I can find the circumference of a circle when I know its diameter. Because the formula is circumference will be pi times diameter. So, but that if you find it as diameter. But how if the one that you know is not diameter, it's radius? So diameter is 2 times radius, right? So if you want to make it into this formula, just times 2 the radius first, and you will get diameter. For example, the radius of a circular plate is 10.5 centimeter. Find the circumference. It said pi 22/7. But you only know the radius. Find the diameter first. You will get 21 centimeters. So 22/7 times 21. You can do this. And this one become 3 times 22 will be 66 centimeter. Number 4. The diameter of a bicycle wheel is 60 centimeter. Find the circumference of the wheel. Take pi as 3.14. Pi times diameter. 3.14 times 60 centimeter will be 188.4 centimeter. Ini untuk KD 3.5. Your homework will be here. A. Oh, already give it to you, yeah? A. Already give it to you how to do it. B. Number 3. And then the last one is find the circumference of a circle. Leave your answer in the term of pi. So, like this. I will explain a bit. So, the circumference will be pi times diameter. So, just leave it as pi times diameter is 50. Pi times 50 is just like 50 pi. That's the answer. Jadi, bentuk pi-nya bentuk pi-nya tidak diubah. Jadi tetap dalam bentuk leave your answer in the term of pi. So just 50 pi. Karena sesuatu yang dikali, for example, like 1 times pi will be pi, 2 times pi will be 2 pi. So if 50 times pi will be 50 pi. So that's your homework. You have 3 homework to do with different kompetensi dasar or KD. If you have any question, please contact me. And see you and bye-bye.